does it recommend? Unleaded. Oh, it's got one of those weird things.
It doesn't have a funnel, right? I mean, it doesn't need one.
I don't know.
I'll turn that.
Okay. I always hate these.
Once you push it in,
It doesn't reach.
It doesn't reach? Yeah, it would.
No. It's hitting before.
Well, you need it to...
No, the can is hitting.
Hold that. It's in there.
But will it get stuck? It's a question.
It'll still shut off. When I pull the can back, it'll shut off.
No, stuck.
You probably will get it.
Because it's the flap. I guess like that.
No, it's fine.
Oh, okay. Here we go.
Little gas sitting right here.
Fixed.
Go down.
Yes.
All right, make sure it's out of gear.
No, really?
Yes, really. Sometimes I feel like I have to tell you things that are common sense. Here, wait, let's let the exhaust go out of the garage. Yeah, it's a good thing you took the seat out, huh?
Yeah. Okay.
Will it start? All right, here, stop for a second. Make sure there's no leaks now.
That's a good idea.
Just a second to warm up. No leaks? I like how you just left the old fuel line under there.
I did? Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. It kind of needs to be thrown away. What? Is it leaking?
You see that?
Oh, I can't see.
Up.
Up.
Right there.
Oh, yeah! So where's it? Oh, wait, find the leak.
That's in front of the filter now.
Because you never looked up there, did you? Did ya? Yeah, I stole the extension cord.
Oh, that is pretty prominent. That's a lot. It's
Maybe we should have kept the oil thing in here, huh?
well, even, how is that even leaking?
Can you see where it's leaking from?
I think there's a hole in this little rubber hose.
In the front of it?
Yes.
Here,
So
hold
it's
that. I'm gonna get some paper towels.
no, that's not going to do anything. It's
It will to the floor.
well, yes, but oh, ooh. Ah, these are my good pants too. Okay, so. Oh, key's still on, right?
Did it split the hose, you think, when it pulled everything back?
No, it looks like the hose clamp is too tight.
On the front?
Yes, because the rubber is mushrooming.
Yeah, but I'm saying when it got hit, it probably tried to pull everything back
Could have.
and probably
We
ripped
probably
the hose.
should get like at least 1 meter of rubber line.
So what
we can
size?
replace.
What size do you need? Here, get the floor.
I'm gonna go with the smaller one because I definitely don't need 7 millimeters.
Well, you should be able to look it up somewhere. Or figure it out. So we won't be starting today then, huh?
No.
Oh,
Probably get that drink pan because that's not gonna stop until it's empty.
yeah, until it leaks out from the top. Go grab it. So close, but yet so far. look at that. Drip, drip, drip. Well, fixed one leak and found another. Here, let's see if we can. Well, there was a hole on this, and well, yeah.
So, next on the shopping list, a meter of rubber line and a crap ton of hose clamps.
Well, do you think it probably would have been worth just buying the whole set for 300 maybe, huh? Well, because it would have replaced everything.
No, that didn't have any rubber lines.
Yeah, it did. They were already attached to them.
Oh yeah.
Yep. But that would involve dropping the tank to replace those ones.
Yes, and I don't want to do that because there's no gas.
How much is this rubber hose? Does it just go from the filter to the metal line?
That long.
So that's all we need? And clamps.
Yes.
Is that the clamp bag?
Yes.
So you got the size of the clamps on there, right? What's it say?
It says not. It just
It
says
doesn't say any size. Nope. All right.
I mean, it doesn't really matter what size of hose clamps it is.
Well, but it's good to
Small
know that
enough.
you get the right one. Yeah.
Well,
All right. Not starting today.